Hey everybody, welcome back to another AliExpress haul. Yes, it is that time again. Time to check out the latest goodies from Ali. All right. Okay, so let's start off with this smaller box, shall we? Or not box, more like a bag, a little bag. And where's this one? It doesn't really say, but that's okay. We're gonna just cut it open here and see what we have. Small little box, hey, bag. You know, good things come in small packages, right? Something like that. All right, here we go. Ta-dum. And oh, goodness gracious. Oh, yes. I was waiting for this. This is very, very uber cool. It's got that army green look. This is an M.2 enclosure for those little mini M.2 drives. Oh, yes. And I've got one of those drives lying around somewhere, and it's going to go right into this bad boy. I picked this up for, oh, gosh, around 14 bucks US. I'll have to put that on the screen. Around that, gotta say this was a very cool deal. Now, for some reason, I had trouble getting it. I was always sold out, but suffice none to say, can't even talk. I'm so excited. Anyway, you know what? Let's open it up here. Let's just take a little look here and see what we got. And pull it out of the box, and I gotta show you guys the goodies, right? Yeah, there it is. Oh, so nice. Rubbery and nice and green, that army green going on. It matches my Bronco. Yes. Oh, and it's tiny, and yeah, I like it. Well made. So once again, my little M2 is gonna go inside of here, and that will be ultra portable and ultra, you know, heavy duty. It's had really good reviews on Ali, so making me happy, Okay, what else do we have here? Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I'm really glad that we're sharing this, you know, this moment together. Makes us closer. Anyway, what do we have here? Another one here. I love how they say rush. Every bag I get from Ali says rush. Rush. You know, I mean, not that I mind, but I mean, seriously, like it's not always a rush, but anyway, I'm not gonna complain. So here we are, bag number 2. Slice it open. And what do we have? Oh, yes. These are very cool little 3-in-1 charging adapters. So basically, you'll see. I got a couple of them here, and I got these for a steal of a deal. Let me just, we're getting there. Granny was slow, but she was 99, and finally, that's what it looks like. Isn't that cool? Such a cool looking little contraption, I gotta say. That's that futuristic kind of Logan's Run look, you know what? Remember Logan's Run? Probably not. USB-A on the one side, the other 3 sides, we have our USB-C cable. Is it in focus? There we are. Micro USB and a lightning for our Apple friends. So 3-in-1. And I gotta say, very, very handy. And I just like the way it looks. It does retract as well. Look at that. It just retracts. Lots of retraction going on. So, yeah, just very cool. $2 US. I'll put it up there. 2 something. I mean, cheap as borscht. How can you go wrong? I got a few of these. These are hot. These are definitely something to have. Yeah, I like it. So looks cool, and geez, cheap. So yeah, anyway, so far we got that kind of army green futuristic thing going on here. I'm liking it. Okay, what do we have next? Another bag. Rip it open here, and I'm telling you, I'm so brutal with this box cutter here. Oh, what do we have? Oh my, we have a bag in a bag, and what is a little weird silver-ish bags going on. Oh my god, I got more bags, and anyway. And let's just see. Da-da-dum, bada-boom, bada-bing. What the heck is this? Oh, you know, it's funny, you order these things, and oh yes, there we are. Cool. So this is a reballing template. I forget what I paid. I'll have to put it up on the screen. It wasn't much. So when you want to do your BGA reballing and you need to have some sort of a template, right, to do a proper job, here you go. Now, they had a whole bunch of them, a whole slew of these templates. I just got one to see if it's any good. And if I like it, I'm going to buy more. I'm going to have a ball reballing. What can I say? All right, let's open up this other package now. And what do we have here? Oh, what the heck is this? Oh, yes, yes, for my scope. My microscope, these are little caps. Yeah, better than using like Coke bottles, you know. So little caps, just take them out of the box. And yeah, everything's wrapped so well. Oh, nice rubber, nice soft pliable rubber here. I like it. That should fit. Kind of a universal fit. Nah. And I have the AM scope, and it's going to be fine. It's going to be just fine. I'll put them on later. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh, yes. Keeps those eyepieces clean, right? Got to keep them clean. All right, what's next? Not optics. No, we're going from optics to not sure. Oh, yes, this is my other charger I got. So two of the same. I got such a good deal on them. I had got a couple, so you know. Now, what is this? I think I know. You guys are gonna like this one. Look at all that bubble wrap. Oh, my wife loves playing with the bubble wrap. She could just do this all day long. She says it's therapeutic, you know? Anyway, look at that. Look at that from RELIFE. Well, I got to take the plastic off here. But RELIFE, yep. That is a 210 soldering iron, portable soldering iron. So I will do a full review of this. I heard some good things about it, and I guess we'll soon find out, right? I like it. Once again, cheap. $15, $16 US, I think. I have to find it and put it up here, and yeah, it wasn't too expensive anyway. Can never have enough portable soldering irons. Okay, we've got one more, I believe, one more box left. And yeah, that's a good looking soldering iron, gotta say. I'm looking forward to doing that review. I really am. Okay, last one now. It's a biggie. Gotta make some room here. Gotta clear some space out for the big box. The big box from AliExpress. This box took about 9 days to get here. Been waiting for it for a while. Oh yeah, it's a big one. Let's just zoom out, in, out. Look at that. It's a big box. It's a big box. Oh, heavy box. I like big heavy boxes. Yes. So once again, it took about 10 days to get here, and I'm excited. Any ideas what it is? Any ideas? Anybody? No, but good try. I know I have not had a box of cigars in quite some time, but good thought. Anyway, let me find those box cutters. There we are. Open them up. Nice surgeon-like quality here. Want to be a little bit careful. I don't want to, dig too deep. I was going to be careful with these box cutters because they are uber sharp. Uber sharp. All right, let's just do the deed here. Oh my goodness, this is on the side of it. It's a little gift. I didn't order this. What the hell is this? It's a plug receptacle. I guess I get a free plug. So yeah, for whatever reason, I got one of these kind of universal adapter plugs. Here in North America, we are, kind of your two-prong thing going on. This has, it looks like, supports multiple prongs. So I don't know, anybody can read Chinese, Mandarin, Cantonese? Let me know what it says. But anyway, it's a freebie from the kind folks who sent me the big box, which I'm going to open. So you can never have too many plugs. Anyway, it's a plug adapter thingy. Weird. Anyway, all right, let's get to the gritty nitty. Oh, yes. Rip and rip and rip. Rigol. Rigol. That can only mean one thing. It's a test instrument from AliExpress. I gotta say, I don't get many test instruments from AliExpress. But that's probably going to change because I've kind of been impressed with their overall, their attention to customer service has definitely improved last couple of years, and their pricing is really hard to beat. So let me just get this out of the box here, and let's just go back a little bit here. It's a big box. I got to zoom out. Sorry, hang on. There we are. Rigol. Now, Rigol what? What is it from Rigol? Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You got it, folks. Check it out. It's the Rigol Multimeter, that brand new one that you just came out with. Oh, man, the DM858E. Oh, wowsies. Oh, yes. Okay, let me just open the box here. Just enough. I want to see what's in the box. Gotta cut this here. And open her up. And oopsie, it's a little upside down Z's, but that's okay. Everything seems to have survived the jump across the Grand Pond. And oh man. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. Look at that. Gorgeous. 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 Thin bench multimeter. Oh man. Oh man. I am looking forward to this one. I am looking forward to this one. And all the accoutrement inside. Fear not, I will have a full review on this Rigol. That's for dang sure. For dang sure. So let me just put everything back together here. And, you know, let's just get it all going. Because that was a pretty good haul. So here we are, everything there. Oh, nice, nice, nice. We got our cool little M.2 enclosure. We got those nice little rubber stops for the microscope. We've got that awesome 3-in-1 cable charger. We have the plug adapter thingy. We have our template for balling. We have our soldering iron. And of course we have the Rigol multimeter. Oh yes, and a box cutter. Well, no, I already had the box cutter. I already had the box cutter. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this Ali haul. It was a lot of fun, and I've got a lot of cool stuff here to review. And of course, I will fill you guys in on all of the goodness as time goes by. What I'll do though is take a quick look at those microscope eyepiece thingies. Just, you know what I'm talking about here. So here we are with the AM scope, and there I've just inserted them on top. And voila, look at that nice protection for your eyepieces. Keeps all that dust and debris away from the optics, because I mean, optics, you don't want dirty optics, right? And the less cleaning you can do, the better. These are multi-coated optics. You really want to take care of your eyepieces. So having something like this, these protective covers, ultimately is a investment in your scope. Wow, I'm telling you. So there you go, looking good. They fit perfectly. They're universal. They'll fit most scopes, I'm sure. But generally speaking, yeah, they're doing the job. The only thing is, I couldn't put them. I thought I originally overlaid them on top of my existing ones, but I can't. So had to take those off and put these on. And anyway, long story short, they look good. Anyways, gotta say that was a great haul. Loved it. And you know how it goes. Till the next one, keep on testing.